Okay, this is how to bulk edit your print-on-demand items. So I have here a list of print-on-demand items, and if you notice, there's no sizes. So this is how we go about filling in all these sizes without having to go into each one of these one by one. So the first thing you want to do is you want to select all the products that you want to edit all at the same time. Now, they have to be either all print-on-demand items or all non-print-on-demand items like originals and stuff. So you can't do a mix. You have to do one and then you can do the other. So in this case, we're doing all print-on-demand. So I'm going to go ahead and select them all. There you go. And then now I go over to bulk edits and then hit export XLS. Okay. So what that will do is that will create a CSV file that we can edit in bulk. So that's, here it is. I'm going to go and click it, and then it's going to tell me, do I want to open it or save it? So I'm just going to go ahead and open it, and it's going to open Excel on my machine. If you don't have Excel, what you could do is you can upload it into Google Sheets, and then through Google Sheets you can go ahead and edit through there. So I'm just gonna shut this down so we can see it. Okay, there we go. So here are all the products that it exported. Okay, I have these columns here. Don't pay any attention. From A to E, you do not want to edit. Okay, these are in the system, and if you edit it, it'll not import correctly. Okay, so you want to leave these alone. The ones that you do want to edit are F and on. Okay, so here's the titles, and you can go ahead and edit these titles, right? So a lot of times these titles will be the same as like your file name. So then what you want to do is you want to change these to the titles you want to display. And of course there's a file name, so you should know based on the file name what title you want to give it. Okay, and so like these are print on demand. So order, you don't really want to mess with that. Price, the price is generated automatically based on size and the type of material. Same thing with quantity, you don't want to deal with that. These here are only for original or non-print on demand type items. Okay, so the areas that we want to edit are these. Okay, so original size 1 and 2. What these are, it's the height and the width. Okay, so if it's, let's just say your this first one, Backyard Birds Western Bluebird, is 12 by 16, that's what you want to put. Okay, the next one might be 14 by 18, you know, 12 by 14, you know, whatever you want these to be. But these are the original height and width, okay, of your print. All right, and then what you want to do in size 1, 2, and 3, okay, these are the sizes that you want to add, okay, to this product. So the first one most likely is going to be 12 by 16. All right, I'm going to put a little space there. You want to put a space between the X. All right, so then the second one, let's just say you want that to be I don't know, 16 by 20, right? And then the third one, let's say 20 by 20, 24. You want to make sure these maintain the aspect ratio. Okay, so you don't want to just add these arbitrarily, right? And the max you can add are 3 sizes. Okay, so for brevity's sake, I'm just going to copy this all the way down. All right, so but obviously these should match whatever your original height and width is. So usually the first column is the same as the original size, so 12 by 14. Yeah, so let's just, it'd be something like that. right? And then these would be sizes corresponding, larger sizes corresponding to whatever this is, okay? So then the last thing is this description. You know, you want to give it a name, you want to give it a description. I don't know, you might want to say, these are limited edition prints. Anything that you want to show up in the description field of the product, okay? Once you got those all filled out, okay, like I said, these are the columns that you want to fill out along with your title, right? These here, you don't really want to do anything with. It will not fill those in, okay? So once you got everything saved, you want to do a file. Let's see. You want to go to file. You want to save your file, okay? Let me make sure I got it saved correctly. I believe that is on my desktop, right? At least I hope it's on my desktop. And then you want to close this. And now we have to import it back into the system so it updates everything, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and go back to bulk edits. I'm going to hit import. Okay. Now I'm going to find the file that I just updated. And I believe it's going to be, if not on my desktop, it's going to be in my downloads. Let's see here, date added. Nope, it's not on the downloads, desktop. Okay, let me see where I put it. Let's see here, file. Let's go file, save. I'm just going to do save a copy so I know where I put it. Desktop, there it is. Let's save it on the desktop. So now I know it's saved on the desktop, so now I can go back here. I can go desktop. There's my file. Oops. Desktop. There's my file right there. I'm going to open it. There it is. And then all you have to do once you've selected the right file, just hit upload. And then wait for this to disappear. Once these disappear, then it's been updated. All right? So it's been successfully updated. So now that we've updated the new list with all the data, if we return to the product admin page, it should, all the sizes should be filled in. There you go. All the size, it's not red anymore. So then if you go into one of the products, there's all the sizes you put in. And then if you go into the description, there's the description. Okay, and now this is ready to export out to Shopify. And that is it. That is bulk editing, print-on-demand items to be ready to export to Shopify. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. Bye.